Hey y'all, 5000 here. Gonna be working on my 2017 Ford Mustang GT. Gonna be replacing the side markers on the rear with the LED ones from Diode Dynamics. So that really, this is what they look like. It's got the LED strip the whole way through. On the back, it's going to be quick plug and play for the LED, and then sliding pieces here and push clip here. Now that we got a good look at it, we're going to go install it. You're going to help me install these lights. Yeah. Okay, I need to get back to work. Alright, first I'm going to do the passenger side. Let's take a look at what we're looking at under here first. Let's see. No, there it is. Maybe. Yeah, right there. That's what we're looking for. Gotta just push that clip in and it all slides out. Let's check it out. I can't fit my arm in here or in here because my arm's too big. So I found to take a pry bar. Oops, I already got that piece out, but take a pry bar, stick it up here. It's actually need a pretty long one, you wouldn't think that. Use that as a backing right there. Push on the clip like so while pushing with the hand or something long, something else long enough to push on the back of the plug itself, and it'll come right out. What was that? There's not much leeway with the wiring. No, it's just stiff. But after you push this clip in with the pry bar I was just talking about, this thing will pop out, and then you got to pull that way away to get past this other clip, and then you'll be able to twist this off like a normal bulb. Need 2 hands for this. Okay, now I got that. Before I install it, make sure it works. Ooh. Turn this off. Ooh, that's much better. So much brighter too. Cool, now that it's seen that it works, let's see, plug that back in real quick. And you need 2 hands, be right back. Alright, so slide this one here, clip there, call it a night. Alright guys and girls, this install of my LED side markers are complete, as you can see. Make the car look so much better at night. That was probably one of the quickest installs I've ever done. If you like this video, drop a like, subscribe if you would please. It helps me determine if I need to keep making these videos or not. More mods to come. Y'all take it easy.